Frontier Airlines welcomes you to San Diego, where the local time is 10:10. For your safety and the safety of those around you, we do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, all carry-on items properly stowed, and the aisles clear until we are at the gate and the captain turns that fasten seatbelt sign off. Please use caution opening those overhead bins. Take a last look inside that seat pocket in front of you for any personal items that may have been placed in there. There will be a customer service agent in the gate area to answer any questions regarding connections or baggage claim. If you are collecting luggage here in Denver, Frontier, oh, I'm sorry, we're not